Corrosion, a word to send shivers down a manufacturer's spine. It eats away at surfaces, at margins, at reputations. It often starts at the edge, where surfaces are the sharpest and therefore difficult to coat. But there is a solution. The high-edge coverage property within the Interpon Ace powder coatings range is changing the way manufacturers tackle corrosion. It's an innovation that delivers the perfect balance of increased film build on the edges without impacting the powder flow. Special additives within the powder enable it to adhere to the substrates in a uniform layer, delivering consistent protection right to the edge, without the drips, without the waste, and with all the advantages that an Interpon powder coating can deliver. It's a solution that doesn't compromise on performance, on sustainability, on corrosion, or on your reputation as a manufacturer, and cuts down on unnecessary maintenance and cost. Interpon Ace powder coatings with high edge coverage for those who live life on the edge.